This video is sponsored by English County, Mobile Master, Mohammadi Furniture, Taj Shahi, Newson Fabrics Clothes Store, Upolis Fashion Store, Shweta Dentistry, and by Edify International School.
So MSKML Titans to call. Tails is the call, and it's the head. Station Eagles, you have won the toss. All the very best. What are you going to do? So, ladies and gentlemen who are watching us online, get ready for this wonderful match between MSKML Titans and Station Eagles. A must-win game for Station Eagles and a match of pride for the MSKML Titans. Stay tuned for watching on GoHash and KBN House of Sports.
Very well, this is nicely played. He slashed it on. Couple of bounces into the fence. Second boundary in this over. It goes bang, straight to the man at extra cover. Srinivas contests the catcher. What a catch! It jumps up nicely. Slightly down the leg side, missed by the wicket keeper. Ball running away towards the boundary. Wait for the umpire signal. Clips of his pants and into the boundary. Leg by signal by the umpire. Good shot in the air, just wide of the fielder. Ball running away towards the boundary. Man at deep third man. He can't stop that. Boundary added to the total.
और ये पहली गेंद क्लीन बोल्ड अक्रॉस द लाइन उड़ा के मारना चाहते हैं मिडल के क्षेत्र में, लेकिन चूक गए. क्लीन बोल्ड और ये पहली गेंद में पहला विकेट लेते हैं श्रीनिवास कंटे अपने खोटे में. छोटी गेंद टपका नीचे रही और ये प्लम्ब और ये अंपायर को कोई दिक्कत नहीं एलबीडब्ल्यू करार देने के लिए ठीक विकेटों के सामने. और एक लक्ष्य पिच इस गेंद को फ्लिक किया है डीप क्षेत्र में. कोई मौका नहीं है डीप स्क्वायर लेके फील्डर को एक गेंद रोकने का और ये गेंद सीधा मार के बाहर 4 रनों के लिए. एक बड़े शॉट के प्रयास में इस बार लॉन्ग, इस बार कवर्स एक्स्ट्रा कवर्स के फील्डर शरण पाटिल कोई चूक नहीं की काफी देर में. और ये श्रीनिवास कंटी के कोटे में ये आगे आकर फॉलो थ्रू में लगाया काफी जोरों से और ये काफी खूबसूरत कैच यहाँ पर खुद गेंदबाज श्रीनिवास कंटी द्वारा. फयाजुद्दीन कादरी आगे आके मारा चाहा लेकिन खुद गेंदबाज को और मारा शॉट और ये काफी जोरों से पड़ा. और फिर से इनसाइड आउट हवे में शेड. फील्डर दर्शक के रूप में नजर आ रहे हैं. कोई मौका नहीं है गेंद को रोकने का और ये वन बाउंस सीमा रेखा के बाहर 4 रनों के लिए.
He goes high, over cover region, straight to the man, and it takes in. Chandrasekhar Patil is the catcher. Great bowling. Nice shot. Excellent cover drive. What a shot. The timing has been exquisite on the time. Through the extra cover and into the boundary. Oh, good shot to the deep mid wicket. Has it gone all the way? It does. First 6 for the MSKML Titans. Final to go in this MSKML Titans innings. Goes for the big one, not connected it right. Wait for the umpire signal. Given him out. Wicket number 7 goes down. 102 in 20 overs. The target for the Station Eagles is they need to make 103 in the allotted 20 overs. 103 is the target in 20 overs. Can they do it? We will be back after the short break. Over to studio. So second innings start to resume after the short break. A stop is the signal by umpire. The target is 103 for the Station Eagles. Simple catch to the offside. Mohammad Azharuddin is the batsman. Want to play that one extra cover. Leading edge and strike to the man at cover. First wicket goes down for the Station Eagles. Outside edge of the bat. Gone to the first clip. Cotton running away towards the boundary. Will it go all the way? And it does. The first boundary for the Station Eagles. Right on the leg side. Pulls it handsomely. Oh, almost hitting the advertising ball. We have to wait for the umpire signal. Six signal by the umpire. He goes, he steps it nicely. Again he goes. What a tip into get stop. Just misjudged the fielder. The fielder at deep mid wicket, he was slightly misjudged. Oh, flash it beautifully. What a shot. Excellent leg launch by the Srinivas Kanti. The man in form.
पहली गेंद काफी छोटी, काफी बाहर और खुल के मार दिया इसे शॉर्ट फाइन लगे फील्डर के ऊपर से और ये सीमा रेखा के बाहर 1 रन 4 रनों के लिए। फिर से एक छोटी गेंद और इस बार शॉर्ट स्क्वायर लगे फील्डर के ऊपर से और ये 6 रनों के लिए काफी शानदार छक्का, एक फ्लैट छक्का डीप। ऑफ टेक बैकफुट जाके पंच किया है, डीप एक्स्ट्रा कॉर्स के फील्डर खड़े हैं लेकिन उन्हें भी कोई मौका नहीं है और इसी बीच ये 4 रन और इन्हीं चौके की मदद से श्रीनिवास कंटी का भी अर्धशतक पूरा होता हुआ। आगे आके उठा के मारा है, मिड ऑफ फील्डर गेंद के नीचे देखते हैं और ये आउट। आगे आके खेला है, काफी सुंदर स्ट्रोक, मिड ऑफ के फील्डर को रोकने कोई मौका नहीं है और ये गेंद बुलेट की गति से निकलता हुआ सीमा रेखा के बाहर 4 रनों के लिए।
So 12 runs to win in 24 balls. Srinivas Kanti is on 56 from 46. Harish JK is on 9 from 5. They need 12 runs to win in 24 balls. Mirza Wasim Beg. Oh, want to pull that one to the onside, straight to the man at mid wicket. And this could be a terrible mix-up. Harish JK want to take the run. This is really unnecessary for the Station Eagles batsman. Harish JK wants the quick single, but Srinivas Kanti not ready. It's a really terrible mix-up. Wicket number 4 goes down. Harish JK out for 10 after scoring 10 runs in 6 balls. 93 for 4. He goes that one to the deep mid wicket area. Ball running away to the boundary. And that went all the way to the boundary. Just 3 runs away. Down the track he comes. He plays that one to the deep square area. Ball running away towards the boundary. That's it. It's all over. Station Eagles into the playoffs. And the Guns Gladiators now they goes out and in comes the Station Eagles. Congratulations to Srinivas Kanti. He remains unbeaten on 67 in 52 balls. The Station Eagles win this match by comprehensively 6 wickets win for the Station Eagles. Srinivas Kanti remain not out on 67 from 52 balls. Basor Kanti is also remain not out on 1 from 1 ball. So Station Eagles win this match by 6 wickets. Congratulations to the Station Eagles.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to discuss the man of the match. Man of the match goes to Mr. Srinivas Kanti. 67 runs, 52 balls, 9 fours and 2 sixes. So overall, 11 boundaries witnessed by all of us in match number 27. Match number 27. Man of the match goes to Mr. Srinivas Kanti. We are giving away the cash prize of rupees 2,500 from Khaja Bandha Nawaz Premier League Board and a beautiful trophy handed over to man of the match. And a special prize goes to Mr. Srinivas Kanti, all the way from Jeddah, from our very own well-wisher Mr. Shahid Khadri. An envelope of rupees 1000 handed over to Mr. Srinivas Kanti. There's another prize which goes to the man of the match, a cash voucher of rupees 5000 from Mobile Hub. Let's celebrate this with a round of applause. I request all the players to kindly clap. There's another special prize from the owner of Station Eagles, given to Mr. Srinivas Kanti. An envelope of rupees 2500 handed over to Mr. Srinivas Kanti. Truly well deserved. Thank you, dignitaries. I request you to kindly have a seat. Congrats as per the standings of KBN Premier League app from the Play Store. You're on the 4th position. What do you say about it, and what is the future plan in the playoffs?
तो हम लोगों ने वो प्रूव किया। हम लोग 120 के अंदर सोचे थे, 104 के अंदर किया और हम लोगों ने अच्छे बैटिंग की और मैच जीता। इसलिए मैं स्टेशनरी का हमारी टीम को कांग्रेचुलेशन कहना चाहता हूँ और आगे भी हम अच्छा खेल के प्रूव करेंगे, अपना गेम में इम्प्रूव करेंगे।
Presented by KBN University and Megaspeed Broadband. Powered by Mobile Hub and Xiaomi. In collaboration with Hash Include. Media partner GoHash. Our associate sponsors include Shaheen Group of Institutions, Orbis International School, Sunrise Hospital, Max, Birla A1 Strongcrete Cement, AN Banquet, Javed Habib, Drishti Eye Care and Shehbaz Electricals.